If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribing. And remember, I always take requests, so leave a request for something that you would want me to do. Now onto the video.
Okay class, today we will be reading about how fun math is.
Hey, Mrs. Green? Can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, but come back soon.
Ha 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 ha, I am going to pull the fire alarm so I can go home. Oh my god, that is loud, but I better get out of here.
Oh my god class, get out of here. Little Bill, how were you out here so quickly?
I don't know.
Little Bill, did you pull the fire alarm?
No.
Okay, school. The fire alarm was a false fire alarm. Everyone should return to their classes.
Oh my god, Little Bill, you did this.
I can't believe you, little Bill. I'm calling your parents.
No, please don't.
Too late.
Little Bill, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You're grounded for 90190290219019029019019201920192019201920192029 years. Go to your room right now. Wow.